Today we are discussing importance of MSME. The contribution of MSME to other sectors has been immensely instrumental. It is the biggest employer after agriculture sector, despite the fact that agriculture sector's contribution to GDP is less than MSME. While it contributes about 45% to manufacturing sector and perhaps 40% to exports, it forms the highest share of employment sector in India, contributing around 69% to it. Means MSME plays a vital role in our economy. Importance of MSME sector in the development of India, both in terms of economic and social development. Number one, creates large scale employment. As we as we have seen last, MSME sector is the highest rate of employment. So it creates large scale employment. Since the enterprises falling in this sector you require low capital to start the business. It creates huge employment opportunities for many unemployment youth. India produces about 1.2 million graduates per year. Of the total number, about 0.8 million are engineers. And there is no economy in the world that can provide jobs to so many fresh graduates in 1 year. So, MSME creates a boon for many of these fresh manpower. Second importance related to MSME is economic stability in terms of growth and leverage exports. MSME sector is a significant growth driver in India, with it contributing to the tune of 8% to GDP. As mentioned in the table, export sector in India contributes about 40% of contribution from MSME alone. Looking at the kind of contribution to MSME in manufacturing sector, exports and employment, other sectors are also benefiting from MSME. MNCs today are buying semi-finished and auxiliary products from small enterprises. For example, buying of clutches and brakes by automobile companies, it helps create a linkage between MSME and being companies. Even after the implementation of GST, 40% of MSME sector also applied GST registration, which increased the government revenue by 11%. E-commerce companies like Amazon, Flipkart, they can also purchase products from the MSME sector. Number third, it encourages inclusive growth. About 50% of wealth in India is owned by just 100 people, which is due to unequal distribution of wealth. Inclusive growth is on top of the agenda of Ministry for Medium and Small and Medium and Micro-sized enterprises for several years. While poverty and deprivation are the deterrent to the development of India, including marginalized sectors of society is a key challenge lying before the Ministry of MSME. Next, cheap labor and minimum overhead. In large scale organizations, one of the key challenges is to retain the human resource through an effective human resource management, professional management. But in case of MSME, the requirement of labor is less and it does not need a highly skilled laborer. Hence, the indirect expenses incurred by the owner is also low. Means availability of labor or availability of human resources is more than other sector. Next is simple management structure for enterprises. MSME do not require a huge capital to start. With limited resources available within the control of the owner, decision making becomes easy and efficient. As in case of the large corporation wherein a specialist is required for every departmental functioning because of complex organization structure. A small enterprise does not need to hire an external specialist for its management. The owner himself or herself can manage it. Therefore, it can be done single handedly. Number 6 is plays an important role in making Make in India possible with the help of MSME. Post of inception of Make in India, a signature initiative by the Prime Minister of India. The process of incorporating a new business has been made easy since the MSME is the backbone in making this dream a possibility. The government has directed the financial institution to lend more credit to enterprises in MSME sector. In short, MSME sector enterprises are one among the most important sectors forming the backbone of the Indian economy. This sector has been instrumental in the growth of the nation, leveraging export, creating huge employment opportunities for the unskilled, fresh graduates, and the underemployed. Also extended the opportunities to banks for giving more credit to enterprises in this sector. The government should take utmost care of this sector in terms of providing more and more MSME registration benefits through other regulations. Government simply and enabling financial institutions to lend more credit at less interest rate and sustainability of this sector. MSME sector is developed with the help of local to vocal. Thank you.